Hi guys, welcome to my guys. Hi, welcome guys, welcome to my vlog. At yung pinsan ko, Cherry, kasama ko itong jogging. Grabe yan, layo na pinuntahan namin. Saan ba yun?
Layo daw.
Wala yun o ba? Nandito kami ngayon sa
Saan?
loading.
Saan tayo?
Nandito kami ngayon sa Central School. Kung makikita niyo yung billboard ko, di ba wala? Tama yung wala talaga. Wala akong magagawa kundi ako ang magagawa. Ayun guys, babalik na kami. Babalik na kami ng market. Hindi ko lang mag-jogging, baka maglalakad na lang. Siguro maglalakad na ako, no? Yung pinsan kasi masipag mag-jogging eh. Parang ako meron sa pagod, no? Hi guys. Anyway, ang topic po namin ngayon is communication skills about jogging. You know what? What is? I don't know what. Do you know what you learn about my communication skills? Communication skills is about your speaking any topic or about your life, any life. Okay? So, you want to learn about me? Okay, listen me. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm back guys. Anyway, I don't know what to say. You know what? I'm seeing kapit lang. Kapit lang sa ating mga pangarap. Anyway, nag-enjoy kami ngayon sa pag-jogging.
Nag-jogging ka ba? Naglakad ka lang eh.
Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung gesture na aking mukha. Hindi ko makita eh. Ang dilim kasi. Okay guys, papunta na kami sa truck.
Tera.
Ay, Terra 28. Sorry, hindi na truck. Okay? I'm going now. Anyway, okay, stop. I'm seeing people. You know what? I'm little shy me myself. Okay? And then my cousin is very confident about herself, about jogging. This is sports. And my sports is walking, don't worry. Okay. You know what my background is? May bank? Okay, this is a bank. And this is my cousin bank. This is a hallway of BGC. It's going to a market. Okay. No, you know what? No seeing peoples because it's a bear sleep for now time. Hi. This is my cousin walk time at hallway of BGC. Yeah. Oh, very sexy. And about me, yes. I am sexy, don't worry. You know, not seeing me. Let's go! Yes, this is a very beautiful BGC. No, I want to introduce about BGC. This is a very beautiful place and very confident about myself. Don't worry guys, about the exercise. Now, I'm very confident and be happy. Ay, bitaw po na ko. What a beautiful day.
Aliwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
Okay guys, I'm here now sa going to market. Papunta na kami doon. Tapos na yung jogging namin, grabe yung pagod namin. Parang mas ako pinapagod. Hindi, wala yun, ha ba? Sabi, alam mo ba? Alam nyo ba?
Hindi ko po alam.
Pinakamasipag talaga sa amin ay hindi ko masasabi. Pero ang totoo talaga, yung pinsan ko, pinakamasipag yan sa lahat. Masipag yan mag-jogging. Pumunta lang ako, naglakad lang ako. Tapos ang iksi lang na pinag-jogging namin. Grabe yan, layo na pinuntahan ko. Ano ginawa ko na masyal? Ano masabi mo?
Tama yan. May tama ka talaga.
Yun na yun? Okay guys, may sinabi siya sa akin. Parang ano yun?
Ako napagod sa'yo.
Kinapagod sa akin, so wala akong kasalanan. Wala akong magagawa. Hi guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko. Huwag niyo makakalimutan mag-like,
Like,
subscribe.